This video will go over the application and removal instructions for CovaClear IV. Let's get started. Open the pouch from the top. You will find two pieces: the clear silicone adhesive dressing and the optional acrylic securement strips. Let's go over how to apply the clear silicone adhesive dressing. Remove the pale blue liner to expose the center of the dressing. Place the exposed adhesive onto the skin, centering the dressing over the insertion site. Do not stretch the dressing during application. Starting from the center, smooth over the skin. Remove the pale blue liner and smooth down the adhesive onto the skin. Repeat for the other side. Carefully peel off the right white paper border, starting at the top tab. Smooth down the edges of the dressing with your finger. Repeat for the other half of the paper border, starting from the bottom tab. You may apply the optional acrylic strips provided for added securement. Here are tips for safe use of the acrylic strips. They should not be used on patients with known hypersensitivity or allergy to acrylic adhesives. Do not stretch the strips during application. The strips may be used with skin barrier. The securement strips are applied in the order provided from top to bottom. Apply the first strip to the top edge of the dressing. Gently lift the line and place the second strip beneath. Place the next two strips on the side edges of the dressing. Place the final strip over the line and apply light pressure to the edges to confirm border securement. Here's how to remove the dressing. Gently tear the bottom strip starting from its small bottom notch. While securing the device, slowly peel the dressing up and around the line toward the insertion site. For more information, visit us at covalon.com.